Did you know there are more than 75 different careers in the natural gas and oil industry?
That's amazing!
It's true, and if working on large, complex pieces of high-tech equipment sounds like your idea of a career, then you should look into a position as a maintenance or mechanical technician or a technical services maintenance coordinator.
Can you tell me what they do?
First off, there are numerous pieces of equipment used in the production, processing, and refining of crude oil and natural gas. Maintenance or mechanical technicians are responsible for servicing, maintaining, and upgrading the various pumps, valves, and compressors.
Sounds important. What skills do I need?
To succeed in this career, you have to love to work with machines. Technicians have strong mechanical skills and enjoy working with their hands. You'll need to be computer savvy, stay up to date on the latest technologies, and be able to work as part of a team. Did I mention technicians get to work both inside and outside?
I love to work in different environments.
Then you should think about this career. There's room for advancement into a supervisory position like a technical services maintenance coordinator. Both are careers with numerous opportunities in industries all around the world.
So how do I get into these careers?
That's the really great news. These jobs are excellent paths into the natural gas and oil industry. These technician and coordinator positions require an associate degree and often additional training and experience, and offer good pay, quality benefits, and are always in demand.
Those sound like great opportunities. How do I find out more?
If you want to learn more about beginning a career as a mechanical or maintenance technician or a technical service maintenance coordinator, talk to your school or career counselor or visit the Career and Workforce section on our website for more information.